it's Megs here, otherwise known as the Megs Cahill, and today I have a video for you guys that I am so excited about because the new Born This Way concealers came out from Too Faced. Now, this has been an anticipated launch for me. I've known about these concealers for a while, and I am so excited that they came out, and I have them. I have every single shade. I am so thankful for Too Faced for sending this to me. I appreciate it so much, and I'm just so excited about this concealer because I'm at a time where I'm like, I need a new concealer. Like, I just need a new brand concealer, you know, like the Tarte Shape Tape is, you know, getting a little old. It's too dry for me too, and it's just, you know, it's summer, like, I need a new concealer, but I still want something full coverage. So I'm so excited that Too Faced came out with this line, and there's so many shades. They actually collaborated with Jackie Aina to get more of a range to add those like deeper shades and those good golden undertones, so which is amazing. So I'm really excited that Jared pulled Jackie into it to kind of have more variety to fit everyone, because I know Too Faced is sometimes known to not really include everyone, so I think that's really awesome that he is trying to make a change in his brand and stepping forward to include everyone. So I'm so excited to show you guys these. This is the PR package I received. It's huge. It says Born This Way, Too Faced. When I received this, I was so excited. And let's open her up. Guys, these are so cute. So on the top, it just kind of has like how they look. And look at all these shades. There's so many shades, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so thankful to have all the shades too. As you guys know, I also work professionally with makeup, so it's amazing. Now I get to have these in my kit. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to try them out. I'm wearing them right now. I will show a demo of how I apply them. But let's just take a look at them because they're so beautiful. So there's 20 shades, which is amazing. That's a pretty good range for concealers. Most brands with concealers have like 6 shades, 5 shades, maybe 8 shades, 10 shades. So to have 20 shades, I think is amazing. Now, let's talk about the packaging. I'll just pull one out. One thing to know as well, this has a diamond doe foot applicator. So, I haven't opened this one yet, so I will show you guys. So, you guys probably aren't going to see. This has to be like super close. It's kind of the color of my skin. But, so it's a doe foot applicator, which if you guys don't know what that is, that's this little guy right here. A doe foot is when it is slanted. So it is slanted like a little foot. And the top is shaped like a diamond, which is cool. So it's not round, it's not too pointed, it's shaped like a diamond, so it can really, that point can get into the creases of your face, by your nose, all that stuff. So yeah, these guys are big. These are chunky monkeys, guys. This is, first of all, the packaging is beautiful. It looks like the foundation. It's just, the packaging is honestly so beautiful. Everything is just so clean and like classy with Too Faced. I love it so much. But these are chunky monkeys, guys. These are big guys. So I actually do have a Tarte, oh my gosh, Tarte Shape Tape. It's so freaking hard to say, dude. All right. And I also have a Becca concealer here too, so I can kind of show you size-wise. This is the Too Faced right here, and here is a Tarte Shape Tape. So you guys, she thick. She is thick. She's a big girl. And here is a Becca concealer. This is kind of like the size of the other Too Faced concealer. So as you guys can see, she's a chubby little girl. This oil also contains 0.5 fluid ounces, so 0.50 fluid ounces in here. For example, the Tarte concealer has 0.33 fluid ounces, so 0.5, 0.3. So you're getting more product in this here. The Becca concealer has, I want to say, this says 0.10. Don't quote me on that. I can't really read it, but I'm pretty sure it says 0.10 or like 0.15. This is 0.3 and 0.5. So it's chubby. So these say they are for concealing, contour, highlight, retouching. These are multi-use sculpting concealers with super coverage. Ooh, super coverage. So, yeah, I'm so excited about these. There's literally so many shades. I think I'm going to swatch these for you guys. Why not? Help you guys be able to pick your shade out. Yeah, I use these to contour and highlight my face. They are so creamy. They really are full coverage. The applicator is amazing. Packaging is so luxurious and thick. She thick. You get a lot of products here. Oh, she thick. You get a lot of products. I am so excited about this concealer personally. I used it today. I'm obsessed. I used it yesterday. A little goes a long way with these. A little goes a long way with these. So you really don't need a lot. So let me go ahead and show you guys swatches of these so you guys can see to kind of gauge what color you should be picking. Yeah, I'll show you swatches, then we'll do a demo, and I'll kind of give my final opinion. I went and got some makeup wipes so I can swatch these for you guys. We're going to go from lightest to darkest. So first up is Swan. So I did wipe it off in this little guy right here, which is good. You have this bowl so you can like scoop and get it out. I learned that from Hank and Henry. His lip glosses are like that. So there's Snow, and that's pretty light. Oh no, this is Swan, sorry. So that's Swan, the lightest. Next is Snow. Snow is what I use as a highlight. As you can see, Snow has more of a little bit of a peachy undertone, where Swan is more of a yellow undertone. Next is Almond. This is the shade I use that matches my skin tone more. Almond is very yellow based. Next we have Porcelain. Porcelain is extremely yellow based, so that's more of like a warm golden shade. Next we have Vanilla. You know, these all seem to be very warm. If you guys are quite pale like I am, these get dark really fast. So the next shade is Nude. So that's Nude right here. Yeah, dude, there's not really a good light range here. Next is Golden Beige. That jumps a lot darker. Next is Light Beige. Next we have Natural Beige. Next is Warm Beige. Warm Beige starts to get kind of dark. Not dark, but medium. Next we have Sand. Ooh, Sand is a pretty color for my tan babies. My super golden girls. Next is Warm Sand. This looks like it's going to be pretty orange base. Yeah, this is very orange undertoned right there. Now we're going to go into the deeper shades. Let me pull all these guys out. Okay, so we're going to start with Honey. And Honey is the contour shade I use. So this is Honey. This is the shade I personally use to contour. As you can see, this has a cool undertone. Next is Butterscotch. Yeah, you can definitely see the difference in how warm Butterscotch is next to Honey. Okay, next up is Mocha. Mocha. Ooh, that's a really pretty shade right there. I'm looking at these like, ooh, ooh. So next is Maple. Very golden. Actually, that's more like a red base. More of a red undertone with Maple. Next is Chestnut. Ooh, Chestnut is a beautiful color. Wow. So for my medium girls, Chestnut is going to be a beautiful, warm, bronzing contour shade. Next I have Mahogany. This looks more like a red-orange undertone. Definitely an orange undertone here for Mahogany. Very, very red-orange undertone. So our last two, this is Toffee, which I love Toffee. Ooh, that's a beautiful shade. This is the last shade. This is the darkest shade, which is Cocoa. Cocoa? So these are the 8 deepest shades. Cocoa is pretty deep. Then we have Toffee next to it. I feel like there could have been a shade in between there, but I think it still definitely is a good range. There's definitely a warm, cool, and then red undertones as well in these shades. I want to put the darkest shade next to the lightest shade so we can kind of see like how big the jump is in this selection. On my hand, I want to put Swan, Cocoa, and let's do the middle shade, which is Sand. So as you guys can see, there's a pretty big range there from the light, the medium, and dark. I think that's so awesome that they came out with such a variety. Set really well. They mixed with the RCMA No Color Powder really well. Yeah, so let's get on to the demo of how I use them. But overall, I'm really loving these. I hope all those swatches helped you guys pick your shade. And I'll show you guys what shades I'm using right now. Okay, so now I'm going to try these concealers on my face. I'm going to use these to highlight and contour my face. I'm going to be using my Sigma brushes to blend this out. I was thinking about using a beauty blender, but honestly, on myself, I really like brushes. So I'm going to use the F80 and the F87. So let's start with Almond. These guys are so big, too. Okay, so Almond is my base, and then I'm going to be using Snow and a Brighten. So a little really does go a long way with these, it seems like. But this does look way more hydrating already than the Tarte Shape Tape, which I really like because you guys know I am dry skin. Yeah, it doesn't look drying at all. So let's start adding bronzer. I'm just going to use a little bit with this because it seems like a little goes a long way. I'm using the F80, and I'm just going to pull up. Oh yeah, I like this color. Woohoo! Found a good color on the first try. So I'm going to go back and forth between the two brushes. Again, I wiped most of it off, and I'm just kind of like using whatever's left. I really don't want a lot because I don't want to have a muddy face. My jawline. I feel like it adds so much warmth to the skin, and it makes it look more like airbrushed than powder because I feel like all the liquids will melt together. Just adds dimension. Ooh, I really like this a lot. So Honey, if you're fair, Honey is a good shade for you to warm up with. And I'm doing it in sections because I don't know how fast this dries. I mean, with the highlight on my face, I did let it sit for a minute and it wasn't hard to move, so it doesn't seem like it dries too fast. These are so big, guys. It's wild. Like, they're huge. Just gonna brush that highlight brush one more time down my nose to make sure it's all highlighted. And I'm gonna take the highlight brush and just go under that liquid bronzer. Not liquid bronzer, it's obviously concealer. But to shape my face. There's nothing on this, it's just whatever's left. I'm honestly really impressed. This looks really good. So I'm going to set this. I'm just going to use the RCMA No Color Setting Powder. I'm going to add my bronzer, blush, and highlight, and then I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I finished putting the rest of my makeup on. I put my bronzer, blush, and highlight on, and honestly, guys, I'm obsessed. I think it looks so, so good, so clean. I love how it looks. It's hydrating. The Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, that is such a hard thing to say, guys. Oh, I always mess it up, but that concealer, I love it, but it's very drying on me, and that's really hard for me because I have dry skin. So the fact that this one is more of a hydrating formula makes me so, so happy, and it just looks so good on my skin, guys. I feel like it just really made me look flawless. I also put on one of my favorite Too Faced lipsticks, which is from their Peach collection. I love their Peach collection lipsticks so, so much. They smell so good and they're so pretty. But anyways, not about that. Yeah, guys, I'm really, really happy with how this looks. And with the RCMA No Color Powder, it set beautiful. It didn't like get weird. It didn't get cakey. It didn't break up. It didn't settle into lines. So I really, really like how it looks. I honestly, like, I'm down for it. So if you guys are in my shade range, I'm kind of pale, like a light pale. I wouldn't say I'm like just light or just pale. I'm like kind of in between both right now. I would recommend buying Almond if you want it to match your skin, Snow if you want to brighten, or both. Mix both like I did, which I normally do with most concealers. I like to mix two concealers. And then for like a good contour bronzy shade, Honey. Man, that worked so well on my skin. I really, really like it a lot. It was like a natural bronze contourish vibe. It wasn't too dark, wasn't too light. I really, really liked Honey. So overall, I really, really like these concealers. If you guys want to go pick them up, these are from Too Faced. I'm pretty sure these are going to be available at Too Faced like retailers. So like Sephora, Ulta, and all that. So anyways, I really enjoy these concealers. I hope you guys enjoyed this little review and showing you guys all these shades. I'm really, really happy with how they look and how they performed. I'm so glad that someone came out with something that's hydrating too. Man, because I am dry, so I really, really appreciate that. And the shade range is amazing. There's a ton of shades, so you're bound to find your shade somewhere in there. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on if you guys want to get my notifications, because YouTube likes to play people and not show you guys our videos. So make sure you guys hit that bell, subscribe to me, leave any comments down below of any videos you guys want to see, any questions you have. Let's chat. I want to get to know you guys more, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye babes.